Jaco, what is the situation with traditional healers? Employees approaching traditional healers for some other condition.
Well, obviously, there's no bar on an employee to go to a traditional healer should he see fit. And I'm assuming we're talking about employees that are off sick and then go to a traditional healer.
Yeah.
So let's just deal with sick leave from the outset. So you only need a doctor's certificate or a medical certificate if you are absent for more than 2 consecutive days, so from the 3rd day onwards, or for 2 or more than 2 separate days, but within an 8-week period. Then you, from the 3rd day onwards, you will need a doctor's certificate. If you're off work for less than 2 days, you don't need a medical certificate whatsoever, and the employer must give you sick leave. In terms of traditional healers, so the Act says that only a person who is certified to diagnose and who is registered with a professional council can provide a doctor's note to book off an employee. So traditional healers currently cannot register. There's no body for them to register. Although there's an act that is supposed to create a body, the regulations in terms of how it should be done and where does not exist yet. So no traditional healer has been registered and can issue a medical certificate. So if an employee goes to a traditional healer, claims he was sick and went to a traditional healer for a period more than 2 days, the employer does not have to pay him, does not have to recognize the sick leave, and actually can discipline him for absenteeism. That being said, we live in a multicultural society, and it's advisable that we should be sensitive to the cultures and beliefs of different cultures and different people. So I don't think a blanket approach is advisable. Every situation will be unique and needs to be dealt with on its own merits.